What I believe that when you want to do something, you must work for it. I promise to myself, as long as I will live in a world, I will continue acquire knowledge. And I think you should also promise to yourself that what I told you, you know. So it is very important message the one who always making excuse instead of learning something. Stop making excuse. You can do everything, but problem is that you don't want. Why do always make excuse? Stop wasting your time. Stop making excuse. You can do everything because you have a willpower. You have a potential to do anything. You know. Many people always say, I have been learning English for 6 months, but still I can't speak single sentence. Why? Because you don't practice, and practice is everything in this journey. Until unless you keep practice, you will never speak English. Fluency in English is something many people want, but few people want to practice. If you want to learn English, then you must practice every day. Even if you make mistake, it doesn't matter. But don't stop. Speak what you want to speak. English is just such language. The more you speak, the better you will learn. You know. So I want to tell you that stop making excuse and start focus on your goal. That you always say I want to become something good, but I couldn't get because of this, because of that. So I would like to tell you stop making excuse. You know. And first of all, it is very important message that you will have to do one thing. It is very important that stop comparing yourself to other. Don't say he has everything and I don't have anything. Why? Because he did hard work, that's why today he has everything. If you do work hard, you will have also everything. But problem is that you always compare to yourself, but you never learn something new. If you want to become like them, then you should also put your 100% effort. You will get everything, but you never want. Put 100% effort.